Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome sis. How you doing? What's good? What's popping? Thanks for stopping through. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button down below if you're interested in natural hair videos that keep you on a budget, sis. Yep, we keep it affordable over here. So if you're definitely interested in stuff like that, where you can save all your coins, subscribe down below. Okay, just click that red button here, there. Yeah, I think it's here. I don't know, but yeah, click the red button because I know y'all be watching and you don't be subscribing. I don't know what's up with that. That's like fake, phony, like. But I still love you. I still love you. Okay. But anyway, I am going to get this dry hair that I haven't touched in like maybe about 2.5, 3 weeks, maybe. I don't know. Getting some moisture in it. Okay. So I'm going to do a bentonite clay mask on my hair. So if you guys are definitely interested in seeing how I do this mask and letting you know on some of the benefits that it has for your scalp, child, then keep watching.
Like bitches with hair perm. Now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit.
Okay guys, so I am going to show you guys how I mix up the bentonite clay, tell you guys a couple little benefits, and show you guys some of the stuff that I put in it that I make to make my hair and my curls pop. Because if you have not yet, watch my combo questions on my Instagram, so you can definitely check it out. Up here is going to be the link to my Instagram. Definitely you'll see that my curls was not popping after I did my combo and I was not feeling it, and I definitely think I should have done a bentonite clay mask after I had flat ironed my hair and reverted it back, but I didn't do that, so that's why we're here. So yeah, I've been having this slick back bun for a while now. As you guys can tell, look at it, it's mad dry, looking dusty. Okay, so we're about to get the moisture going back into it. So I will show you guys a before picture because I'm not about to take all this down in here for y'all. That's too much time. Okay, too much time. So guys, these are the items that I'm using: bentonite clay, aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar, and extra virgin black castor oil. These are some really good items and they have really great benefits. I will be putting them on the screen so you guys know some of the benefits, because there's a lot of benefits for each item that I probably won't be able to get through everything before I get to my next clip, but I just want to give you guys some information so you guys see why I'm using these items in my bentonite clay mask, just because they have really good properties, and all these properties and all these benefits is something that my hair needs. So definitely do some extra research if you want to know a little bit more about each one of these items so that you can get the max benefit and the max hydration for your particular hair and hair porosity. So just keep watching, and yeah, I'll show you how to apply it in the next clip. So guys, I forgot to mention, I did accidentally delete the clip with me adding the castor oil into the mask, but I did add it, the last piece, into the whole mix thing. So yeah, it has not been shown in this video. I do apologize about that, but I did add it in. So yep, keep watching. Okay, so since you guys seen how I made the bentonite clay, and I do apologize, I did use a metal spoon. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, so that's why I hurry up and wiped it off and changed it real quick, because I was in there stirring, girl. I completely forgot. Got on the phone talking, whip, completely forgot. Tripping. But anyway, yeah, and I show you guys how my hair was all extremely dry and everything, so I went ahead and wet my hair to make it easier, because it's so much easier when you wet your hair applying the bentonite clay, because I'm telling you, if you do it on dry hair, not damp or nothing, it's going to be like hard to get that bentonite to your hair. Okay, so yes, I just kept it sectioned off into 4 sections to make this process easier. Okay, so we're gonna start with the back half of my hair. So this is how my hair is looking. Not too much definition, real blah, right? Real blah. So we're gonna see the power of the bentonite. And the only thing I hate is that my nails are not done. I broke a nail, so I gotta make sure I don't get my hair snagged because my hair's not done, my nail's not done. But yeah, So like I showed you guys before, it's not extra runny like it was in the beginning. So that's perfect. And you seen how I apply more bentonite so that it doesn't show up too runny. So we're just going to kind of section this section in half. And then pin up the rest. And you guys will just watch how I do it after I do this section. Oh, okay. So I'm going to try to detangle with my tangle teaser. And I got this from Burlington, if you guys want to know. Burlington is a spot. If you guys do not go there, then you guys, I don't know. Like I said, we keep it cheap and affordable over here, okay? Because we got to keep all our points. And Burlington is the go, okay? You get everything in there. Here, those banana clips that you spend mad money on, they sell in Burlington for like $7, $8. I'm going to get some and I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a Burlington hair haul or something like that. But if you guys want to see that, let me say I'm not going to do it if you guys don't want to see it. So if you guys want to see something like that, Burlington hair haul, then let me know, because I got a lot of products from Burlington and child, I'm telling you, it's the shit. But anyway, let's get some of this bentonite. I use my little spoon. It's easier to just scoop it up in my hand and rub it. And I just start at the ends and work my way up. Look at me, I got hair all already in it already. That's, ugh, I hate shitted hair. And then maybe I should never wore this. Or you know what? I'm gonna wrap this around. My husband gonna kill me because this is his shirt. He gonna kill me. But it's cool, it can wash out. And I'm just gonna apply it, work it on my ends and work my way up. Just keep applying the bentonite clay. Ugh. This is so messy. Okay. Hair is just every freaking where, bro. And I think I'm gonna use this as a shampoo, like use it as a active shampoo on my hair, because I don't think I'm gonna use a shampoo. I'm gonna just make sure I apply this good enough and make sure I apply it to my scalp and rub it in real good. So that thing, and I will put some of this on my face, because bentonite is good for your face as well. Girl, clears your skin. Bentonite has some good properties, child. So that's how it's looking right now. And then it's just pretty much, that's it. Like, you're gonna keep applying it to your hair all the way around. Oh my God, this hair is everywhere. It's too much. So I should have enough. This should be enough for my hair. I just want to make sure I get everything coated from root to end, so that everything definitely gets coated with bentonite, because I need these curls to snap back, sis. It needs to snap back. Okay, so yes, 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 yes. So let's move on to the next section. And if you guys feel your hair getting dry throughout this process, definitely keep a water bottle with some water in it so that you can spray your hair. I don't have much water in here, but if you need the water, definitely have a water bottle nearby so that you can spray your hair, just in case your hair dries really, really fast. Because mine's do from time to time. And I'm going to need to add a little bit. So right here, it's kind of dry. So I'm going to go get my spray bottle and fill it up and spray it down. So one moment. So great. And I can section this a little bit more. So I just want to make sure my hair get coated with all of it. So I don't want to be taking too much of a big section and then my hair doesn't get coated. So, oop, just got a knot right here. That ain't cute. Hold on, wait a minute. Where is it at? Ooh, chat. There it goes. So I'm like, what is going on, sis? You can't be out here fooling around with the fool around. Okay, so I'm gonna just detangle my hair. So I know I went through this process pretty quick, so you guys can see how the process works and what to do and how to apply it on your hair. So what I'm going to do is finish it, and then I'm going to come back on the camera, and then we're going to talk a little bit more. Okay, so I'll be back. Hey boos, hey boos, hey boos. So I'm back. So I want to just come in and drop in real quick before I rinse this out once it's dry. But yes, I did put on my face like I told you guys, because let me tell you something. I'm trying to keep clear, clean, smooth, baby bottom skin, wet. Anyway, I just want to show you guys that the curls are already coming through, okay? Coming through, like, boo. When I mean, like, bentonite clay is the answer, like, y'all need to get you some, like, go to your beauty supply store, you can get some. Like I said, you guys don't know, Burlington even carries bentonite clay, and guess how much it's for? $5.99, way cheaper than the beauty supply store that you pay $8 and $9.99. So go out, get you some bentonite clay, sis, because I'm telling you, your hair is going to be popping. Because my curls, it's still not dried yet. In the back, probably a little bit on this side, because it's the first side I actually tackled. But yeah, once this is dried and I rinse this out, y'all, you're gonna see the changes, okay? Maybe I'm being a little dramatic, but I'm just telling you, get you some bentonite clay. So I'll be back once I rinse this out, so you guys can see how my curls is popping and looking luxurious, so we can get into a new style, which you guys got to see next time, okay? But I'll be back, boo. So guys, I'm back. My hair is washed. I'm fresh. I'm clean. Everything is litty over here. Everything's fresh, you know. So let me show you guys my hair. Like, I was very pleased with the results, y'all. Oh, and look at these curls. Tell me. Ooh. Look at these curls, though. The curls is popping, okay? Dry hair wear, moisture wear, like you can't tell me nothing. Look at the curls, y'all. Look at that. Like, no product is in my hair whatsoever. So this is my hair with no product whatsoever. So let me tell you something, y'all. I'm telling you. I used some True by Made Beauty Full Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner to kind of just rinse, I don't know if you see it, just to kind of rinse out some of the clay out of my scalp, just to make sure, but to give me moisture at the same time, because I don't want it to be hella dry or anything like that once I take it out. And let me tell you something, my hair is popping. So I hope you guys did enjoy this little bring my curls back, honey, from a dry to moist, okay, type of video. If you guys like videos like this, definitely thumbs up this video. Subscribe. I don't know what y'all waiting on. I know y'all be watching my videos and nobody subscribed yet. I feel the shade. I feel the shade coming through. But I love y'all, okay, nevertheless. So make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.